Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge of Biology with Anjali Boutique. Today I am discuss with you what is the replication of DNA and difference carried out between each other of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So DNA replication, in this process DNA are made by their twin copies. Okay, they are twin copies to be two strand. One is a old already to be parental strand and they are made by new as a daughter strand. Okay, and this strand they are transferred to be become generation for the identification and understanding of the physically functions and structure for the mentally and physically for their they are occur to be each other. Okay, so look at that. What is the replication? What is the replication of DNA? Okay, firstly guys, I am discuss with you difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes into the each other. So this is the prokaryotes and eukaryote. Okay, so in this process of prokaryote, their replication process is occurred by chromosomal of the cells, which is then chromosomal of cell, because prokaryotes do not have nucleus. Okay, and eukaryotes, this procedure are occurred by nucleus of the cells, nucleus of cell. Okay, second difference, they are carried to be each other into the prokaryotes. Their DNA are found by their chromosomal into the circular shape, means it's a circular replication. It's a circular replication obtained by prokaryotes, and at a one time they are made by only two daughter strand. But difference between into the prokaryotes, these are they are into the linear replication, because our DNA of the nucleus are found by to be just like a linear. Look at that, just like this. It's our DNA and it's a bubble fork. In a prokaryotes used by enzyme DNA polymerase first, second and third. DNA polymerase first, second and third to be responsible for made by new daughter cells. Okay, and into the eukaryotes used by DNA polymerase only one enzyme first, only one enzyme. Okay, so screenshot for this guys, and then next point. So in a prokaryotes, circular replication obtained just like this, because our DNA into the chromosomal of cells found by just like this, and they are having to be S phase. This S phase are obtained by replication process made by two daughter strand. This is our two new daughter strand. Okay, so at a one time they are made by only two daughter strand. Into the eukaryotes process are obtained by into the, which is then linear, just like this. It's our DNA and this is a bubble fork. Okay, screenshot for this guys. So eukaryotes are made by more than the two copies of daughter cells, then which they are followed by details into the their stages. Consider a few. So this is the our normal DNA. Look at that. This is our normal DNA, means our parental strand. Okay. Enter by enzyme as a DNA primase, responsible for unwinding of parental strand. Okay, then they are divided into the two strand. First is leading strand. It's also known as to be continuous strand. And this is a lagging strand. This lagging strand known as to be discontinuous strand. So after unwinding, very important to be lagging and leading strand are not attached to be each other. So into they are between present by as a protein, single strand binding of proteins, SSB proteins. To be responsible of these two strands are not attached each other, because they are attached to be each other, they are made by copy of the only parental strand, but we want to be the new daughter cells of copy. So into the replication starting for RNA primase enzyme. Firstly, RNA primase enzyme are attached to be starting portion of replication, and they are synthesized. They are synthesized by enzyme as a DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase enzyme to be attached them and made by new nucleotide, new segments. So this is our DNA polymerase, and this strand is continuously making to be new daughter cells, and finally we get by complete to be double strand of the strength. But into the opposites of lagging strand, firstly attached by after attachment of RNA primase enzyme enter to be DNA polymerase enzyme, and they are made by one segment of the nucleotide, then they are removed, consist by gap between the each other, we are called to be fragment. Then second enzyme are enter to be each other, they are consist to be segment. Then third enzyme are enter to be consist by segment. So these fragments we called as to be Okazaki fragments. Okay, so these Okazaki fragments are filled by responsible to be enzyme of the DNA ligase enzyme, fill the gap, and discontinuous strand are converted to be continuous strand, just like this. Okay, just 3-2 and it's a 5-2. Okay guys, so observe to be back of the parental strand, they are sometimes they are folded to be each other, they are folded, so consist of supercoiled, but we don't want to be supercoiled into the parental strand. Very important, they are not consist to be supercoiled. So responsible of enzyme topoisomerase. Topoisomerase enzyme are attached to be this old parental strand, and responsible do not consist of the supercoiled. Okay, means this continuously strand are making, not damage created by to the unwinding portions. Okay, so this is the our complete process of the replication of DNA. Then these two new daughter strand are removed and they are carried to be that one replication. Okay, so guys, it is the overall process of the replication. Okay, so some difference to be prokaryotes and eukaryotes consist to be, firstly into the eukaryotes are obtained by only one enzyme, DNA polymerase. Only one enzyme are entered to be this and responsible to be made by as a new nucleotides attached by free base pairs into the present of the cytoplasm. They are attracted to be each other and attached by one opposite portion of the nucleotide, just like adenine opposite thymine, guanine opposite cytosines. Okay, and after attachment they are removed. But into the prokaryotes used by enzyme third, DNA polymerase, first, second and third. So firstly enter to be DNA polymerase one enzyme, they are made by one segment and they are removed. Then enter to be DNA polymerase second enzyme, they are made by their segment, they are also removed. Enter to be DNA polymerase third segment to be, they are made by segments and then they are also removed. So this is some major common difference to be obtained by prokaryotes and eukaryote DNA replication process between the each other. Okay guys, so it is the overall process of replication. I hope you like to be this video, and thank you.